Good morning students, welcome in your new video. Our topic is going on microorganism, friends and foe. So already we have discussed what is microorganism, why it is called friend and foe also, types of microorganisms, some important topics we have discussed in that. So please students that learn, memorize it is very important for you. And today we are going to see about the disease caused by microorganism in human, plant, animals, है ना. So first see this chart in human, what disease caused. There is a causative microorganism and what is the means of transmission of diseases and how can be prevented. So this chart is sure you have to learn. See, tuberculosis, it is caused by bacteria and it is airborne disease, and vaccination is also available, so we can take its vaccine and prevent it. Another one, measles, caused by virus and it is airborne disease and by contact also, na. Its vaccination is also available. Here chicken pox, it is also caused by virus. Polio also caused by virus and airborne disease, na. Chicken pox and polio both are airborne disease. Cholera, that is caused by bacteria and it is a waterborne disease, and by food also it is spread, and vaccination is also. Typhoid, this is caused by bacteria and it is a waterborne disease, and for typhoid we can take vaccine. Hepatitis B, caused by virus, it is waterborne disease, है ना. Vaccination is also available. Malaria, it is caused by protozoa and its vector is a mosquito. So by keeping surrounding clean we can prevent it. And some more disease. See, anthrax, this is very dangerous. This is caused by bacterium. In human and cattle both affected by this anthrax, caused by bacterium. So memorize this one. And foot and mouth disease of cattle, caused by virus, very dangerous. And in this little bit we will talk this disease caused by bacteria and virus. Bacteria generated disease, fungi generated disease is not much difficult, but virus generated disease is difficult to cure because our biological pathway and virus biological pathway is same, so difficult to take medicine. So little bit now in the next class we will discuss in detail. So other disease causing microbes in plant, this were animal and human, na. Now we will see about plant. This is also very important, please students memorize this one. See, citrus canker, this is caused by bacteria and airborne disease. Rust of wheat, caused by fungi and airborne disease. It is also airborne disease. And this yellow vein mosaic of bhindi, this is caused by virus and mode of transmission is insect, na. So disease caused by microorganism. Disease caused by microorganism. This one more term is food poisoning. This food poisoning also caused by cause of the consumption of spoiled food. This is caused by the consumption of spoiled food. And food preservation also. One more topic is food preservation. It is caused by spoiled food. One more topic is food preservation. See, spoiled food, there is food preservation. Spoiled food gets need to preserve. So food preservation is important topic. Just we will discuss about this food preservation. This chemical method first we will talk. Chemical method first we talk. After that this one. See, chemical method. Preservation by common salt, sugar and acid. Common salt, sugar, acid. So always you will see pickles. Pickles get preserved. Pickles gets preserved because of salt, acid and sugar. Pickles gets preserved because of salt, acid and sugar. In this environment microorganisms cannot grow, difficult to grow. And some chemicals also, sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfite. You will learn these all names and these two chemical name. So sometimes ask an exam, write the chemical name by which we can preserve. See, Another is preservation of meat and fish take place because of dry salt. What is dry salt? Moisture free salt is called dry salt. In kitchen we have salt, but that gets watery, है ना. So that not dry salt. When we do it moisture free, then it will be dry salt. So meat and fish also we can preserve in that. So preservation of sugar already we have discussed. Oil and vinegar is in the environment of oil and vinegar, microorganism cannot grow. This is not favorable condition for microorganism. Heat and cold also already we know, by boiling we can preserve food, by cold keeping in refrigerator we can preserve food. So heat and cold is also affect our preservation of food. So pasteurization is one term by which milk gets preserved. So in this milk boil at 70 degrees centigrade for 15 to 30 seconds, and just sudden gets chilled. This is called pasteurization. Milk gets preserved on this. What packet we get from dairy, that preserved by this process. Na, storage and packaging. See, this storage and packaging is very necessary. We have preserved food, but we have to store. So for storing, very necessary, we have to keep in our mind, we need to keep it moisture free, and we add nitrogen also in that packet. In chips packet you will observe, kurkure packet you will observe that be full of air. That air is a nitrogen which do not allow to react oxygen with fat. So in this way we store food. So okay students, bye. Today only this much.